Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about remember. Which is correct? Remember to do something or remember doing something? Watch this video and find out which is correct. It's correct to say remember to plus a simple action. Remember to clean. Remember to wash your hands. And it means don't forget. Example, I always tell my kids, remember to turn the light off when you leave the room. Don't forget. So remember, to plus a simple action, turn. Remember to turn off the light. Let's practice. Did you remember to turn off the light?
Yes, I remember to turn off the light.
Did she remember to turn off the light? Did you remember to turn off the light? Very good. Example. I tell my kids, remember to brush your teeth before you go to bed. So, to plus a simple action, brush. Remember to brush your teeth. Don't forget. Did you remember to brush your teeth?
Yes, I remember to brush my teeth.
Did she remember to brush her teeth? Did you remember to brush your teeth? Very good. It is correct to use remember with a gerund, with ing, and no to. I remember riding my bike. We're talking about a memory from the past. I have this memory from the past. I remember doing this. I remember riding my bike every day after school. Do you remember riding your bike when you were young?
Yes, I remember riding my bike when I was young.
Does she remember riding her bike when she was young? Do you remember riding your bike when you were young? Very good. Example, I remember playing with my friends on the playground. Use a gerund, playing with no to. I remember playing with my friends on the playground when I was a child. Do you remember playing with your friends on the playground?
Yes, I remember playing with my friends on the playground.
Does she remember playing with her friends on the playground? Do you remember playing with your friends on the playground when you were young? Very good. So both are correct. Remember to do something or remember doing something. They're just a little different in meaning. I remember to do something. I remember to brush my teeth. Don't forget, remember to brush your teeth. Or remember doing something. I remember playing with my friends on the playground when I was young. Use a gerund, talking about a memory.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to avoid mistakes and improve your English, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.